Hi, let me show you how to add a sticker on iPhone keyboard. But firstly, let's create a sticker. For that, we need to open Photos. And now just choose a photo from which you want to make sticker. Then you need to press and hold its object and find the option Add Sticker. After that, it will be added to your sticker pack where you can rearrange stickers, add effects, and delete it. For example, we can make it comic like that and save changes. Now with the new iOS, it will be in your emoji keyboard by default. But to be able to find it and use, you need to open any app in which you can send stickers first. For example, it could be Messages app. Now trigger your keyboard, tap on the emoji icon, and near your recently used emojis, you will see your stickers. Here you can tap on the sticker to send it just like that. Also, you can tap on plus, tap stickers, and send it from here. But it will be added to your keyboard by default, and you will be able to access to the stickers in any app. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.